Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account on your iPhone. First of all, open your Gmail app on your phone. Now let's tap to create an account. Firstly, you will choose either your account you are here to create it, meant for business accounts or for your personal use. Now enter your first name and your last name. Make sure you don't forget to set up your date of birth, your basic information. On the next part, choose a unique username. This username will be your Gmail address. Then create a strong password. And here we go. Add your phone number to this box below here for Google verification code. Congratulations, you have a new Gmail account you can use for your YouTube, Google Drive, and your email and much more.